Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, welcome back to another edition of Talk About Hakka.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And I think today we are about to teach you another proverb from the Hakka world. 12月份，农历12月，也是一年的最后一个月份了。
哎，对，
应该有很多谚语跟这个月份特别有关系啦。
哎呀，当然有，我马上就想到一个了。
Okay, let's hear it.
好，那我现在来讲了哈。新年向瑞，
新年向瑞，
主位唔是吹，
主位唔是吹。新年这个我懂，因为应该是12月的意思。
那当然
对
啦。
that's the month or the 12th month of the year. 新年之后怎么样？
向瑞
向瑞是
就是打雷了，
打雷了。
对，我们或者是讲说向雷公都可以。
哦，向雷公那就是雷公了。嘣！
对，雷神索尔来了。
雷神索尔来了。Oh my goodness, Thor is coming because when it thunders in the 12th month of the year. 后面还是要有一个解释啊，对不对？会怎样呢？
这跟那个雷神索尔他的武器就有很大的关系了。
哦，就是他的铁锤吗？
对，
出现了吗？
对，那个竹位唔是锤，竹位就是猪嘛。唔是锤就不用锤它，它就会死掉了。可能会死掉。
对。Well, interesting second half. It just means when it thunders in the 12th month of the year, the pigs will probably die of other causes without the help of Thor, for instance. And that's a metaphor, of course, being Thor being a god, punishing the pigs. They don't need that anymore. They will die because of other natural causes. 就表示隔年可能天气上面有很多变化了哈。
对对对，所以可能会发生水灾或旱灾，所以呢，这个猪就很难养活了。
Okay, let's hear this explanation in English.
If thunder strikes in the 12th month, pigs will be shocked. According to this proverb, if there's thunder during the 12th month of the lunar calendar, the pigs will be harder to raise the following year because of the sudden shock. There's always the possibility of flood, drought, or perhaps infectious diseases, and taking extra precautions and good hygiene should be kept in mind. So, the next time you hear thunder rumbling during the 12th lunar month, be sure your local pig farmers are more attentive to their livestock.
And Leo, 我们再讲一次这个月的谚语。
新年向瑞，
新年向瑞，
猪位唔是吹，
猪位唔是吹。那我觉得不只是猪啦，人类啊，看到12月打来的时候，隔年也要小心一下了，对不对？天气可能会有很多的变化。
对，有可能会有水灾，有可能会旱灾，所以呢，就造成了整个这个地球呢环境呢造成很大的影响。
All right, so be careful if it thunders in the 12th month of the year, and that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么太嘎？
俺只say张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.